Hello, it's Castaway Trader and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about TVIX. The video is called Trading TVIX, how to hit the bullseye in every shot. And in case you forget what TVIX is, you can watch my previous video, TVIX, the bad and the ugly. Before we start, I want you to read that important disclaimer. This is how my website looks like. The address is www.castawaytrader.com. And let's start talking about TVIX. We will start from 21st May 2019, and all the charts I'm going to show you in this video were sent to my subscribers. Okay, I'm going to show you how wave analysis can transform your trading, how it can help you to nail major turns in the market. Back then at 3:20 p.m. I wrote about TVIX potential super bullish setup for volatility. At this point we have a fully completed structure of that ABC down decline. So what I'm reading now here this is a text I sent to my subscribers, and everything here you're gonna watch in this video was sent to them, so nothing was added. It can complete any second, but at the same time it can extend lower into the green target box. If you see a green target box on my charts, you know that it's the time to consider buying that instrument. And I will keep watching and hope it will tag 2106 fipped below. The very next day, 2:41 p.m. 22nd May, price was 20.82, it went under 21, deeper into the green target box, and I wrote to my subscribers, TVIX gets into the green target zone. That was a great time to buy that instrument. So TVIX bottomed at 20.60 the very same day at 3:51 p.m. Eastern. The very next day, by noon, TVIX was at 23.80, which is more than 10% higher than it was the previous day. Look at that green target box and look at that rally. So it just jumped out of the green target box, which I drawn on my chart. This is what I wrote then. TVIX tries to tell us something, let's listen. I said that TVIX could deliver ABC up targeting 26 or 27. Remember those numbers, 26 and 27. This is 23rd of May. We will hit those numbers on June 3rd or June 4th. We will see it later. And it will be all of the pullback in wave B or 5 up. What I mean is that I think that the impulsive move is down, and that move up I expected was only a corrective pullback, dead cat bounce. As soon as it completes that corrective bounce, TVIX will start another long-lasting decline targeting new all-time lows in wave C of 5. And the same day we got the drop, and despite we got the drop, I still maintain my bullish expectation. TVIX, we have got an expected wave B down. From here we may get another rally in TVIX targeting 25.80 in wave C up. That would complete a corrective wave B up and set a stage for another strong decline in TVIX in wave C down targeting new all-time low. Not only I predicted the very next move, and this is my red targets here. So the red target is the target where you should unload your longs and potentially go short. Not only I predicted the rally, but I kept telling that my directional bias is down, and every long move, every long trade in volatility should be a short-lived. It was just a speculation, and every move up should be considered as a long-term short. 28th of May, 10:57 a.m. price 22.52. As I expected, we got wave A and then ABC of wave B, which tested that blue 200 moving average, and from here I expected rally to the red target box. Ideally we should get another rally in subwave C up that would complete the corrective wave parenthesis B up of the lows. Again, that post was named TVIX may deliver that rally in wave C of B up. 10:30 a.m. 28th of May, I expected it to rally in wave C up, and it obeyed that ABC move up of the low made at 2060 on 22nd May 2019 is nothing else but a dead cat bounce and temporary counter trend pullback. What I expect is TVIX to top in the red target box located in between 2470 2540 and then continue to do what it likes to do, which is to decline to new all-time lows. And this is extremely important, that bearish picture in TVIX confirms my expectation for a new rally in stocks to come soon. Based on TVIX, I did not trust those uber bearish calls about S&P falling to 2200 or 2300. I kept my directional bullish bias, long-term bullish bias for the stock indices, and my long-term bearish bias for volatility. 29th of May, 8:56 a.m. in the morning, TVIX opened right into the red target box. Look at that. So this is that green candle. As you see the price 2506, and from here it may start another impulsive decline to a new all-time low. And 12:47, TVIX moved up again, making a new higher high, but could not move very far, and it was just a double top, and I reaffirmed my bearish expectation. I expect another impulsive decline in TVIX in a wave C, parenthesis C down, targeting new lower lows. May 30th, 9:05 a.m. TVIX opened with a gap down. The price is 2372. It fell off 2560 resistance, and the post was named TVIX tapped into the red target box. What's next? TVIX can easily stretch to 50% retracement at 2621. The demand zone starts under 2308. I'm going to sell my VXX puts there and see whether TVIX will be able to play that one more rally targeting 2620. So the very same day, TVIX bottom somewhere here, a little bit higher than 2308, and I really unloaded my puts and started to wait for another push higher. 31st May, 8:45 a.m. and look at that jump. Indeed, TVIX bottomed a little bit close, just a little bit higher of 2308, and it started to go up again. And it jumped into my new target box a little bit higher than 2620, which I was discussing the previous day. And I wrote TVIX played out my script. Yesterday TVIX bottomed at 2320 at 10 o'clock in the morning, and this morning it jumped to 2620, 50% retracement of wave A down. I was measuring that ABC move down, which could be counted as a A of 5 or just the first wave in 5-wave down fractal. But we measure the decline and we apply retracement fibs, and those retracement fibs gave us great targets for where that retrace up may stop. 3rd June, 9:25, and we can see that price moved to 2620 and fell down again and moved up again and could not move higher, and I concluded that TVIX looks having topped. TVIX topped where we expected it to top in a corrective looking ABC structure. I mean A up, B down, C up structure. It looks like a complete perfect corrective wave parenthesis B up. Together that ABC comprise a parenthesis B up, and from here it may start an impulsive decline to a new lower low. And again, that bearish scenario is a strong bullish sign to ES, SPX, SPY. Look at the date, 3rd of June, which is where a lot of traders expected that S&P and other indices would keep going lower. 3rd of June, 3:41 p.m. and this is when an unexpected event happened. I did not expect it to go higher, especially after it made a sequence of lower lows. That low was lower than here and that low was lower than there, but I reaffirmed my bearish bias again. TVIX has a strong resistance at 27.70, and as soon as it finally tops, we should get another decline in wave parenthesis C or parenthesis 3 down, meaning that it should drop from here to new lower lows. And it topped at 27.28 the very same day at 3:15 p.m. And you should understand that I tell you about TVIX because TVIX really helps me to nail major turning points in S&P and other indices. For some reason, TVIX has better clean accounts because not many people do what I do. Many people believe that you cannot count waves in TVIX because it's a triple ETF and it has decay, so it's losing value even if S&P does not change. But I consistently show you that you can do that, it will benefit your trading. Specifically at 8:48 p.m. on 3rd of June, I sent a very bullish note to my subscribers. I wrote to them that we have a perfect textbook long setup, and of that low we can get a very strong rally targeting 2900, 2950. And that would not be the top, it would be just wave A05, meaning that we should move here, that would be A05, then we can get a retrace in B05, and then another push up in C05, making a new higher high, new all-time high in S&P. And let's look at the update dated 4th of June, 10:54 a.m. I reaffirmed my bearish bias. TVIX corrective rally looks complete. One of the reasons why I cannot get super bearish about stock indices is the way how TVIX looks like. It kept pushing higher in an ugly structure, nowhere close to a 5-way fractal. And 5-way fractal is a backbone of any trending move. And if you don't have a 5-way fractal and price keeps moving higher, the chances are it's a corrective move up, just a temporary pullback. I clearly get ABC up structure of the low made at 2060 on 22nd May 2019. For me that means that it was just a temporary pullback up. So again, I'm telling my subscribers that they should not expect bearish continuation in the market, in the indices. Conversely, they should expect that TVIX would keep falling down. TVIX closed at 2167 today on 6 June 2019. That is 17% decline of my bearish call made at 2620. I suggest that you give a try to my service. It is available for $49.99 per month, and that would include regular intraday updates for micro accounts of ES Mini, RTI, and Q futures, and I start posting updates from 8:30 a.m. Eastern in the morning until 10:30 p.m. And that includes micro accounts of TVIX. So all those charts I've shown you in this video were included into that plan, and I included into that plan. Today is a great chance to grab 25% discount. I have 10 coupons available, and the coupon code is GRAB25. You just use that coupon code at checkout, and I will add a link to the page where you can subscribe to that plan in description of this video. Thank you very much for your attention. I suggest that you stay on the path to mastery, meaning that find some method which works and keep learning that, and keep finding something new which would make you eventually a professional. Please put like under this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really motivates me to record new videos and share my knowledge with you. Goodbye.